What happened with the ex-man? You know, I haven't been following that story.
I don't want to lie to you. I enjoyed my relationship
With him.
with him. We just met at the wrong time.
Oh, were you married?
No,
Oh, you're not married?
No.
Like, what went wrong, man? According from your eyes.
I was always there for him. That is why today you think he's not the crazy one. But if I can show you and play you his voice notes, you'd be shocked. He said to me, I wasted my money and paid lobola for you while I should have done my mom's tombstone, and you are here giving me disabled kids. So I felt like I have an enemy in the house. To smash someone else, I would know about it and I'll be fine. I'll prove it. I think this is one of my fetishes. Seeing him doing something to someone else.
What happened with the ex-man? You know, I haven't been following that story. But I just see...
That guy.
Is it the guy that you were with when we recorded the first one? You know?
Yes.
That guy, you seem
Monde,
like a good
yeah.
guy, man.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Solid guy,
You
man.
guys are
Out
like
your crib.
this, man.
What happened?
You're telling me you guys have just moved in, you're starting the podcast.
Oh my God. I don't want to lie to you. I enjoyed my relationship
With him.
with him.
Okay.
We just met at the wrong time. I don't want to say much about him. I said so much, I think, for the past few weeks. And I was retaliating to what he did when he said, I don't want him to be part of his daughter's life.
I'm gonna shoot straight now ngezinto. Angitshele leyo valid reason ukuthi yini legcina se deny access ukuthi angafuni ukuthi sengiyafunisela ngifonela abantu abaningi akekho uliyana lapha akekho angazi nokuthi umntwana ukukwenzalana abafitha hayi. And what I know ukuthi uyenza ngamabomu because ayikho attention ngemgaya yona ayikho ngemgaya attention ayikho. I don't care ukuthi uyenza ngamabomu ukuthi wayegcineni ukuthi if akusinto ayenza ngamabomu bekangeka benendaba ukuthi Monde akele ukudinaza akakhulume noLiana ngokwakhe. So wenza ngamabomu ukuthi okay, I'm gonna use Liana. She knows ukuthi she's hitting a nerve. After uma ngiceda comment ukuthi ngifuna ukutrenda for real. Fana nawe mina ngikhalela ukutrenda.
And that's not true. However, I'm standing here and I'm going to say it. You will never be part of your daughter's life if you are disrespecting people who are raising your daughter. And also, if you are questioning your daughter about your mom's life. Him calling my daughter asking, is your mom pregnant? Does your mom have a big belly? Him talking bad about my partner to my daughter.
Oh.
Yeah, but, and my daughter doesn't see that. My daughter loves my partner. You understand? I never asked my daughter to call my partner daddy. She used to call her
That's your job.
She used to call him a bestie, but she changed. We don't even know why. I never introduced my partner, my partner to my daughter and said, this is your dad. Never done that. She knows who her dad is. She decided to call him. I said, this is your bestie. She decided to call him daddy because of the role that he's playing. So I cannot allow you to come and play with my daughter's mind.
But from Rosebank, you guys are so happy to now, were you married?
No.
Oh, you're not married?
No.
To now where we are, like, what went wrong, man? According from your eyes.
Ish.
I know you said wrong timing, yes, but it can't just be a timing thing.
A lot happened. Let me say this. I can't speak about him now because I served him with legal papers
Yeah.
for him not to mention my name anyway. So I think it's only fair that I also do the same.
You don't have to mention his name.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know what happened, ne? He valued friends and alcohol more than he valued his family.
No way.
And I was the only one working. I was the only one putting food on the table.
Noma ngabe ungathi le ndoda yami ngayinganamali ngangishade mina for the fact ukuthi I had money ukuthi ngimnike ayongilobola, it means something. Yeah, Tebogo, it's not my fault ukuthi wena awukashadi.
He was very supportive, yes. But at the same time, he damaged me mentally.
You were wearing the pants. You were bringing home the bacon.
Yeah, I was.
Okay.
I was. And he allowed it. And I wouldn't mind to trend any way.
Ngifuna ukutrenda for real. Fana nawe mina ngikhalela ukutrenda. Ngobsess ngokutrenda mina. Kwangibona nje nginendaba nokutrenda. Uzosho njalo ukuthi ufuna ukutrenda, ngifuna ukutrenda. Kwangibona nginendaba nokutrenda mina.
But as long as I protect him and my kids, people spoke bad about him, I protected him. I was always there for him. That is why today you think he's not the crazy one. But if I can show you and play you his voice notes, you'd be shocked. You'd be shocked with the names that he used to call me.
I never
That
understood.
man said to me this other day, I can literally call him. He said to me, we were fighting normally about our own things. I was preparing to go to a gig. And then he was sleeping in bed and smoking. He said,
He smokes in bed.
yeah, he was smoking everywhere. It doesn't matter.
Wow.
Whoa.
Gangster.
And then he said to me, I wasted my money and paid lobola for you while I should have done my mom's tombstone, and you are here giving me disabled kids.
Oh, oh man. Oh.
I swear on my son's life.
Jeez, that's bad.
Wait, was this after the breakup?
No.
Oh, this was
During a fight. They were having a fight.
How many kids do you have
Cold,
together?
bro.
2. We have a son and a
Shit,
daughter.
that
The
is
son
cold,
is
bro.
alive?
It's the one that passed away.
So the daughter also now unikinganyana.
No, my daughter is fine. It's just that she has ptosis. Like the eye is down a bit.
Yeah, but otherwise fine.
But she didn't op. She's fine.
The brain function fine, everything fine.
Everything's fine.
That doesn't sound like a disabled child, man.
Jeez, that is foul, bro. Oh my goodness.
No.
Jesus.
That is
But that's
putting the
like-
disability, putting the
Even if it
disability
was
on
true,
you.
that is
When it took
disgusting.
both of you. to
Bro,
make
alright,
the
okay,
kid.
you're experiencing this on social media is fine. People don't know you, but to hear it at home.
Damn, bro.
You know what hurts
Yo,
most?
Yo.
What hurt most is that hearing these words, people said so much about me when my son was sick, you know, things like that.
You fight your child for me, and then when you open this briefcase, there'll be 2 million inside your
Yeah, yeah.
So hearing those words home, that's what I think he also thought. So I felt like I have an enemy in the house.
Yes.
You know, I tried to brush it off, but if he was honest with himself, he would know that because I continued to stay. after that. But it was not
The same.
It was not the same.
After those
course.
words,
Yeah,
man, what
bro.
makes you
Yeah.
to
And-
stay?
But
For
he's
my-
a contributing factor because remember, the virtue of you falling pregnant, he's the one that impregnates you.
Is he
So
smart
the
enough to
seed-
know?
Hey.
Oh, okay.
Is he smart enough to know that he's the seed of the kids? I don't think so.
So if he says that and you still stick around, what worse happened for you to leave then?
Nothing happened. So you know how I left? We were good, and I made sure that he goes home. It was in December. Gave him money, petrol, all that, and then I packed my bags and I took everything that I have. He came back. The house was empty.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, we didn't fight. That's how I left. I felt like I didn't stand firm enough for my kids. I felt like I'm failing them. So I'm here saying I will never leave my partner for cheating. Like you know.
Wow.
Sorry,
no,
relax.
small stuff.
If I can take if I can take my partner to a strip club and buy a stripper for you, why would I leave for you?
Whoa, you bought strippers?
Yeah, you know.
Wow.
And that's the type of relationship that I'm currently in with
you
my
chose a
partner.
stripper for him.
Yeah.
Yes.
So my current partner, we have, it's not an open relationship because I won't cheat on him. I don't want to cheat. I'm fine.
Yeah.
But if he were to smash someone else, I would know about it and I'll be fine. I'll approve it. So if he wants to smash someone else, I must approve.
You
Hasn't done that.
Yeah, in our relationship so far, he has done it with maybe 4 girls.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. That's you're different.
As long as I know, so I approve. So I know his type of girls, right?
Yeah, you know the
So
spec.
yeah, even if he's
You'll
at
know
even if
everyone's
he's
type
at a
of girls.
club or if you send him a DM, we talk about it. I'm like, yeah, I'm tired. As long as
Yeah.
if I love more guys, like,
Yes.
yeah, get sharp.
Wow.
Like it ends there, I'm fine.
Yes. Yes.
Wow.
Hey, we need more Gogo Skhothenis, bro.
No, and this is what my ex didn't understand. So I think he knows something about my partner. So he was like, yeah, hey, I'm like, dude, I know everything.
Yes.
Don't be shocked. I know it. So even if he's at the club, especially if he's out of the country, we'd video call each other, and then he'll show me, is she okay? I'm like, no, try the one next door. You know, I know he loves ass.
This is
So I'm like,
crazy.
baby, unale swap. Then he'll be like, but lana etlapini mus abeko, you know?
Wow.
So yeah.
Look at me. You're so excited.
Wrong, man.
I've never heard of this, bro.
Open relationship,
Wow.
one-sided.
Yes.
Yeah, and I'm fine with it. I'm we're good. We'll outgrow it maybe, but am I enjoying it? Oh, I love it.
Has he said it can't be open both sides?
No, I don't want to. I want
But
to.
he's open.
She said she
I
doesn't
don't
want.
to.
But is he open with you also? If you do the same, as long as
I
you
don't
show?
even want to
Yes or
discuss.
No.
For me, it's disgusting.
It's not even on the table.
No.
How dare you bring it
I
up?
want.
Yeah. You tell man.
I want to belong to him alone from my side.
Wow.
I'm fine with it. But I don't know. It turns me on when he does it.
Wow, that's insane.
It's weird, ne? I'm sorry, guys. I
No,
know.
no,
Yeah.
it's not.
No, it's
You've
weird.
never been there in the room when it happens? You know, you can pick up, since you pick up a stripper. Strippers don't mind.
Present.
Meh.
And yeah.
Yeah.
I can't wait until you come back and you say, no, that was my previous life. Now I just believe
No,
you.
I'm enjoying it.
I'll wait for that interview.
Yeah,
you tell it's fine. This is just the current situation.
If he falls in love. I
Yeah.
don't want him to fall in love. I don't want him to fall in love. But if
Can you
fall
control
in
that?
love,
Let's be honest. You
if
can't
he falls-
control it, right?
Yeah, if he falls in love, then I'll be very shattered because I love him. I want to be with him for the rest
When
of
do
my life.
when do you decide like this is what I actually want? Like what happens for you to think like that? Like to be like
I was not really a sexual active person, you know, and I met him. I think we had to explore.
of course, yeah.
And I think this is one of my fetishes, seeing him doing something to someone else. So I discovered, I don't know if I discovered now because with my previous ex, I enjoyed seeing a stripper play for him.
Got you.
So maybe it's something that I had, but because of Gogo, I had to.
Yeah.
Nibo Gogo. So I think when Gogo futhi nase endlini.
Yeah.
And but now I'm free. I'm free.
One thing I wanted to ask you, so man, I don't know, how do you feel about niggas who the wife is the woman is the breadwinner and they comfortable with that? Like it just feels weird for me, man. It's like it's
Yeah.
emasculating, bro.
It is.
Like get
For
your
all
money,
men,
that's
bro.
good for you. But
all
for
men.
me, like for you to give me money, I'd feel weird,
Can't take care
man.
of me, man.
It's
Yeah.
actually that's not right.
Hey,
Guys,
bro.
no, I
Doesn't feel
suffered.
right, man.
I suffered, Mina. I suffered. There's so many things. So there's so many things I didn't even do for myself that I had to do for him. You know, so guys, I suffered.